Over the past 2 decades, there has been a notable increase in encounters with unexplained aerial phenomena, as reported by credible sources including military personnel and pilots. But it wasn't until undeniable evidence was presented to the U.S. Congress and confirmed by the Pentagon that the public began to take it seriously. In a surprising turn of events, NASA has recently unveiled a groundbreaking revelation that brings us closer to unraveling the mystery of extraterrestrial life. What has NASA discovered about the alien presence on Saturn, and what implications does it have for our species? Join us as we explore how the NASA probe has just detected a huge 2,000-mile-long structure moving near Saturn. The emergence of unidentified aerial phenomena (UAPs) has captivated the curiosity of countless individuals, sparking a collective desire to understand their inherent characteristics and assess any potential risks they may pose. While there are still those who dismiss the notion of extraterrestrial life as mere fantasy, the sheer number of reported sightings, UFO encounters, and various incidents and experiments we will delve into defy easy explanation. Recently, NASA, a renowned authority in space exploration, publicly acknowledged the discovery of a strange structure in motion near Saturn. This revelation aligns with the predictions made by notable experts, such as Israeli-American scientist Avi Loeb. Stay tuned to uncover all the juicy details about the 2,000-mile-long structure found on Saturn and the possibility of life existing on the planet. But first, let's examine some of the most compelling evidence supporting the existence of extraterrestrial life. Former U.S. Army Command Sergeant Major Robert O. Dean captivated audiences with his fascinating insights into alien contact, leveraging his military background to illuminate various interactions between extraterrestrial beings and humanity. The undeniable credibility of his claims was reinforced by his tenure at NATO headquarters from 1963 to 1967, during which he presented an assessment paper as part of a NATO study on the repercussions of alien presence on Earth. It was during the commemoration of the 50th anniversary of the Roswell incident that he unveiled these remarkable revelations. In a riveting presentation at Leeds University, Major Dean disclosed that, throughout his service, he was not only aware of one extraterrestrial group but 4 distinct groups. Astonishingly, by the time of his retirement, this number had grown to over 12. What's even more astounding is that this awareness extended beyond the U.S. military to include British military personnel. Major Dean hinted at the existence of over 100 separate alien organizations, each with enigmatic origins. This groundbreaking disclosure revolutionized our comprehension of extraterrestrial engagement and the intricate interplay between Earth and civilizations far beyond our own. One particular group of aliens captured the attention of military officials back in 1964. These beings closely resembled humans and effortlessly assimilated into society, being observed on aircraft, in restaurants, and even in theaters. Understandably, concerns were raised regarding their potential infiltration into influential institutions such as SHAPE headquarters and the Pentagon. Military officers reacted with a mix of amusement and anxiety at the prospect of these beings gaining access to the White House. Major Dean proposed a fascinating perspective, suggesting that humans shared striking similarities with these intelligent aliens, implying a profound connection between our species. He vaguely alluded to an undisclosed basis for this resemblance. Additionally, he unveiled that alien visitation extended beyond interactions between planets, encompassing encounters with interstellar and cosmic creatures. This non-human intelligence possessed multidimensional characteristics, exerting control over both matter and time, thus redefining our understanding of the universe. These aliens were not mere explorers, they were captivated by humans. Their multidimensional nature and mastery over time and matter posed a challenge to classical physics, necessitating the expertise of quantum physicists. The collaboration between American and British physicists demonstrated their unwavering commitment to unraveling this mystery. Major Dean, although not a scientist himself, acknowledged the dimensional complexity of these beings, referencing the theoretical physicist's notion of 10 dimensions. He embraced this reality based on accumulated evidence spanning 4 decades, emphasizing that it was not a mere work of science fiction, but rather an earth-shattering reality poised to profoundly transform our world. Major Dean proclaimed that the familiar world we had known for so long was teetering on the edge of extinction, with the impending impact of this revelation poised to reshape our thinking and pave the way for an unprecedented paradigm shift. At the Barcelona Ecopolitics Summit in 2009, Mr. Dean showcased a collection of awe-inspiring photographs, offering unparalleled insights. Among these were images purportedly captured by Apollo 12 astronauts, featuring a mysterious spaceship hundreds of feet in diameter. His account of the Apollo missions and the astronauts' experiences diverged significantly from others, further heightening the intrigue surrounding his revelations. The breadth of Major Dean's claims left even him momentarily speechless, despite his years of exposure to the extraordinary during his 41 years of service to the United States. He asserted that humanity has maintained an intimate interrelationship with advanced extraterrestrial intelligence since the dawn of our history, and according to him, this profound interplay continues to this day. Major Dean contended that one particular alien race had played a role in re-engineering humanity as a species approximately 200,000 years ago, resulting in the Homo sapiens that we are today. He emphasized that we, as a product of their craftsmanship, have had our genetics tampered with. Major Dean's stature as a prominent figure in ufology was duly recognized through the receipt of 3 Lifetime Achievement Awards, and his contributions to the field continue to shape the ongoing debate surrounding extraterrestrial involvement in human history. Although Mr. Dean passed away in 2018, his legacy endures. Are you prepared to handle the shock that would come from an encounter with an alien? This perplexing event happened off the coast of Prince Edward Island. Our story begins with John Shepard, an ordinary man whose life took an extraordinary turn one fateful June evening in 2014. Picture a serene night at Twin Shores campsite near Kensington, as the clock struck 11:30. Little did Shepard know that his world was about to be dramatically altered. Caught in the enchanting allure of the night, Shepard's gaze was inexplicably drawn to a diamond-shaped light shimmering above the vast sea. It was as though he had stumbled upon a scene straight out of a science fiction tale. This mysterious light, positioned approximately 75 meters from the shore and nearly a kilometer away, performed a mesmerizing dance, captivating Shepard's undivided attention. Driven by his instincts, Shepard swiftly retrieved his phone and commenced filming the otherworldly event, providing a running commentary on what could only be described as an extraordinary light show. However, the unfolding spectacle took an even more perplexing turn when, out of nowhere, a second light materialized on the scene, approximately 3 minutes later. Overwhelmed and struggling to grasp the reality before him, Shepard could only muster, "I have no idea what that is. I've never seen anything like it." In his heart, he hoped that the recorded footage might reveal details imperceptible to the naked eye, while simultaneously grappling with the fear of being branded as a lunatic. As time passed, Shepard found himself plagued by lingering questions even more than a year later. In a recent interview, he confessed that the encounter continued to baffle him. "I couldn't liken it to anything, such as a helicopter or a plane," he pondered, his bewilderment evident. Seeking solace and hoping to uncover the truth, Shepard discreetly positioned himself behind a bush, capturing photographs of the enigmatic spectacle while remaining unseen. After approximately 8 minutes of the entrancing display, the radiant lights abruptly vanished, leaving behind a trail of curiosity and unanswered queries. In his quest for answers, Shepard reached out to the Mutual UFO Network of Canada, a reputable nonprofit organization dedicated to investigating such phenomena. Eager to shed light on the mystery, Shepard shared his footage with the network, hoping they could unravel the enigma.